If you are wondering what Bluetooth audio codecs are available on Samsung Galaxy A37, then let me quickly share that information with you. So on this phone, we have, for example, the standard, universal standard Bluetooth codec, which is SBC, sub-band codec, which is supported by pretty much all Bluetooth audio devices. There is also AAC, or Advanced Audio Coding, which is the standard for high-quality audio, especially on Apple devices. And besides that, we also have the Samsung's original codec, that is the Samsung Seamless Codec, or SSC, formerly known as Scalable Codec. And this is Samsung's high bitrate codec, which can be used, and it is available, for example, on Galaxy Buds. We also have LDAC, so if you have something that uses LDAC audio codec, then you can use it on Samsung Galaxy A37. And there is also the Qualcomm's aptX codec, which offers better than SBC quality. And of course, the standard one is available on this phone. However, keep in mind that only the standard one is actually supported. So the aptX HD or adaptive doesn't work on Samsung Galaxy A37. So you might need to know that information before you start using your Bluetooth device that uses, for example, aptX HD or adaptive. And among other audio codecs that are not supported, there is also the LHDC. So LHDC is not supported on Samsung Galaxy A37. LHDC is mostly used by Chinese brands, and also Chinese smartphones, Chinese Android smartphones usually have that audio codec, but unfortunately Samsung is not one of them. Of course, Samsung is not Chinese really, but Samsung Galaxy smartphones don't really include LHDC. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.